Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel
Of La Primas Perez.
This is Mai.
I am Gina and that's Kaylee. We have a new, ¿cómo se dice?
Guest? I don't know.
Guest to our channel.
My hair is
Kaylee.
Yeah, that's her, Gina. That's Gina's sister.
Yeah.
And today,
we're gonna do like a mukbang, whatever.
Mukbang,
whatever. So we're gonna do a mukbang or whatever.
Yeah.
And
we have some, like, I guess Mexican food, or I don't know.
from Taco Star. I don't know if
It's only
Taco Star.
in Denver.
Yeah, I think
It's only in
I don't know
Denver.
if it's only in Denver, but
And we got, I'm pretty sure some of y'all already know, like, asada fries. Fries with asada, yeah.
and I got some
chips.
asada chips.
It's basically the same thing, but with
I know,
chips.
but with chips, like what the
Yeah.
heck?
So, can I have some?
No. So we're gonna start eating, and then we're gonna, like, while we eat, we're gonna talk, right, Gina?
Yeah. So we were talking. Me and Maya had not discussion, but we were talking. No, esto no se comen con
Can I
esto.
have a fork?
Esto se come con esto. I think.
Ajá, ¿qué decías?
Okay, yeah.
¿Qué decías?
¿Qué?
¿Qué
Oh
decías?
yeah, I don't know if you guys watch Kimberly Loaiza and Juan de Dios Pantoja.
There's some,
or
they're-
Kenia Oz.
They're Mexican YouTubers, right?
Yeah, they're Mexican.
Or how
YouTubers.
they're more known as Hukilo.
Oh, Hukilo.
Yeah.
They're more known as that?
My friend knows them by Hukilo.
For real?
I really don't know. The bumper are kind of cold already.
Yeah. Like, and Gina lives closer. They're fucking...
I live like 5 minutes away from.
And they're cold. The fuck?
Oh yeah.
Mm.
And then, ¿qué estábamos hablando?
I do not like eating on camera. Okay.
What were we talking about?
Kimberly Loaiza.
Oh, we were talking about, like, so Kimberly Loaiza and Kenia Oz, Hooky Love and Kenia Oz got in a fight.
Kelly, párate más para allá si quieres más papa.
Right? And, like, they made, like, a roasting video. No, Kenia Oz made a roasting video, right? She was basically shit talking about
Hukilo.
Hooky Love, which is Kimberly Loaiza and Juan de Dios Pantoja.
But if you know, a roast yourself is like roasting, like así que ha pasado en tu vida, you know, like people roasting you and stuff like that. And that's why she had to put a little piece of Juan de Dios Pantoja, you know, like I mean, I'm not against like them. Like I really don't give a fuck about what they do or they don't. But we're just like así like talking like who has the
Who do you think is right?
yeah.
Basically, like, Kenia Oz was, like, saying that the whole time I guess she was with them, they were, like, callándole la boca, like, she was not allowed to, like, talk or give opinions, like, if she made videos, like, not like, oh, you can't do this shit.
I think that was like her exaggerating too much.
And in the end, this to roast yourself. She put his roast music, like if she was talking about him.
¿Cómo? No entiendo.
Like at
¿Cómo?
the end, he put, you know, his roast himself music. Que lo es su music.
No, and then and then the shit I did not get mad. But the shit that was like, what the fuck, like you're not the only one, was when Juan de Dios Pantoja was like, ¿cómo dijo? He's like, oh, she copied like my intro, like my style. Like, bitch, you're not the only one who fucking invented that style. You know what I mean? Or like how Kimberly Loaiza que nada porque se le hace el pelo. Motherfucker,
yeah.
I straighten my hair, so am I like you?
He did say that, like, que le copiaba a la Kim. Y que hacía todo lo que la Kim hacía, whatever. Because first, I guess, Kenia Oz, like, had, like, chinitos, right?
Yeah.
Curly hair.
She has curly hair.
I don't know, like, if you guys watch them, like, what do you guys think?
Comment down below.
Like, I was telling Gina, like, ¿quién no se le va a subir, right?
It's like saying, si de la nada, you have fucking money and stuff like that, you're gonna get like, oh, I have everything, like more than you, you know, this and that. So te va a subir. I think that's everyone at some point.
Like, every YouTuber, I believe that. This is so bomb. Like, every YouTuber at some point,
Okay, look who you like.
they're gonna start to show off. Right?
Like the Ace family, I don't know, I like them.
Not show off, but like, you know, buy more like nicer things and stuff. Like, because you can, you know, like
your money, like spend it while it lasts.
Like before, like you couldn't, now you can. Like, I'ma buy it, you know. And sometimes it's not like showing off, but like if you have it, you have it.
Good for you, you know. And they also said that she doesn't pay rent. And then this bitch is just like, I did pay rent and I gave you 14% or some shit of my.
She did not pay rent, pero le quitaron un porcentaje porque Hooky Love la contrató a la quiniela. So basically, she did pay because les quitaron un porcentaje, but she did not pay, you know. Feel me?
She said she did.
She did?
Well, you never know. She might be lying.
Tenía la fecha, tenía esto y tenía el otro.
¿Tú quién le vas, Kelly?
I think.
And then they started talking shit about her boyfriend because he's married
Oh yeah.
and has a kid.
Good.
They were like, se le quitó a una hija a su papá que no les va a quitar no this and that. I'm like, bitch, don't fucking exaggerate.
They were like, sí, destruyó una familia que no piensa que nos puede destruir a nosotros and stuff like that.
Like, okay, bitch, nowadays, like, anyone's gonna steal your man or whatever. Yes.
Honestly,
But she was the one talking shit about them as well, like, bringing the conversation.
yeah. Y como dicen, like, la Kim y el Juan tienen como más seguidores, like 40 million. And every time que ella pone sus names de ellos and the title, she's gonna get more views. And I truly believe that, so I'm team Hooky Love. I don't care if y'all gonna talk shit, but I guess. Can we talk more about ourselves?
Sure. So they could
Our
what?
30 subscribers could get to know.
Damn, y'all too close to us. Okay, so Christmas is coming up. If my followers are from LA, I'll probably go and see you guys there. See, not?
We know you watching. And we have proofs. Like,
My name is Gina
Gonzalez.
Gonzalez.
how old are you?
18.
Oh my god, in 4 months I'm gonna be 19. Could y'all believe it?
Yes.
Yes. This bitch say yes.
I am Kaylee Gonzalez Perez. And I am 11. And
Who
I
the
go
fuck
to
asked you?
fifth
I
grade.
know, it was so just me and Gina.
I don't care. I can still say it.
What about you, Mike?
She's 23.
I am currently out of school and probably gonna start next year. Yeah.
College.
I am working full time, part time, extra.
My name is Mike.
I feel like it was school. No, it's that the first day of school they fucking make her read that. Introduce yourself. My name is. Like, okay, bitch.
My name is Maite. They call me Mai or May, whatever you guys want.
I call her May Money.
My money.
I call you May Money.
No, it's just my money. Cause my money.
Oh yeah.
I call you mine.
Yeah.
Okay, huh?
I'm 23 years old. My social is like no,
I wait.
no, it's not. It's like, but yeah, I'm 23 years old, and I will be graduating next week of what? College, I guess.
What the fuck, you guess, bitch?
No, college.
You are. College, university, whatever. She is gonna be a future business management motherfucker.
And I do not work at the moment. I'm looking for a job. Find me a job. I just chill. I work on the weekend in my dad's store. That's pretty much it. Me and Gina don't see each other that much. That's why when we started recording, like, she used to live close by me. Oh my God, se le bed. But now she doesn't. We used to, like, not record, but, you know, we used to talk to each other, huh?
Mhm.
We still talk to each other, but we don't see to each other.
We live like 10 minutes away from each other, huh?
Bitch, what the fuck? We live like 25.
Minutes? Away from each other? No, like used to. We used to.
Oh, we used to live 5 minutes.
5 minutes away
Oh.
from each other.
5 minutes, I guess.
And we
now
timed
live
it.
25.
Bitch, we timed
Yeah, we
it.
did.
And now we live 25 minutes away from each other.
20 more minutes.
We live in.
Okay, yeah.
You say too much.
Yeah.
Let me cut that part out.
Yeah, I got that part.
Oh.
¿Cómo decir? En la lista y luego le das para acá. This bitch said.
So I cut that part off because
This girl was about to say her address. You don't say that on YouTube.
Yeah, I can't say that. Sorry.
you said it.
What? You're gonna cut it off, okay?
Thank God for editing.
My bad, my bad.
Oh my god. The Murillo twins sister-in-law added me back.
For real?
Everyone is out adding you from Murillo twins. Like, oh.
She kind of famous now. They know about the prima.
They're like, let me do a collab. Okay. Let's eat.
She's pretty.
Who? Brittany or Brittany?
Not Karen. I don't really think what's up cute?
They both have the same faces.
No, you don't.
No, they had different.
I think Brittany está más guapa.
Wait, Brittany is the blonde one, right?
Yeah. Brittany is the one that has that little hole in her cheek.
For real?
Uh-huh.
Es
Do
que
you know the difference?
no, la Brittany como que se me hace más la coqueta. Y la Bray es bien como que así, like you feel me? You like that.
Oh, like a bitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, Brittany's really pretty.
They always say like, what the fuck?
¿Sí viste su live de la Bray
No, what time?
last night? Fucking Fernando was shit talking to Amy. Like, Amy, you're fucking stupid. They were like en un like, ¿cómo se dice? Room, escape room.
Mhm.
And they were like, oh, Amy, you're the smart one. Get us out of here, ya see? And then I was like, Amy, move the fuck out. Amy, shut the fuck up.
I thought you were talking about Amy.
But
Brittany's cute.
yeah, I love Fernando's and Bray's relationship.
They're couple goals.
There goes. I love Bree's attitude towards Fernando.
Mhm. I mean, she doesn't show that much love, but like on camera,
She's always on the lawn.
and that's good because on YouTube, basically when you're with someone, that shit always ends up like falling apart.
Mhm.
By the way, I'm single.
Oh, I'm not single. I guess I'm not. I don't know.
She
Maybe
married.
soon.
Where's your engagement ring?
Bitch, what the fuck out? Mira, nadie sabe, mira.
Who farted?
Gina, got the mark. Gina, got the mark, please.
My, you farted?
Yeah, so don't yeah.
This is the end of our mukbang, whatever you guys want to call it.
Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment.
And as we always say,
We will be back with more videos.
just kidding, no, because así lo dicen the East family.
Oh, we will be back with more videos and
And
please join the Primas family.
Bye.
Kaylee?